How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in iPhone. So here is a quick checklist you can run through to get your iPhone back online when Wi-Fi shows no internet even though it is connected. So first of all, let's simply try dragging down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Now once done, so all you have to do is toggle the basics. Simply turn on and off the airplane mode. And also try doing same with the Wi-Fi. Wait for 10 seconds, then off the airplane mode. And once you turn off the airplane mode, simply look with the Wi-Fi if it is connected and shows internet or not. And if it still does not, then all you have to do is power cycle the router, unplug the router and modem if separate for 20 seconds and plug back in and wait for 2 minutes. Once done so, simply open the settings app from your home screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi option available there. Then tap on the eye next to the network. And all you have to do is tap on the forget this network and reconnect with the password. Sometimes this kind of fixes can fix some bug in the Wi-Fi connection as well. Now, once you are connected to the Wi-Fi and it's still not working and shows the no internet option, then all you have to do is go back to the general again. Simply scroll down and tap on the general. Once inside the general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom again and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available there. Once in there, simply tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.